Welcome to this session. This is VP Hassan Nahor Miran, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, Sadaqatul College. Let's talk about the independence and covering number of a graph G. First of all, what is an independent set? A set capital S is said to be independent if no two elements of S are adjacent. For example, consider the following graph G. Here, U6 and U7 are not adjacent, and so the set capital S is an independent set. Do you think about the independence number? An independent set capital S is said to be maximum if G has no independent set S dash with cardinality of S dash greater than cardinality of S. The number of elements in a maximal independent set is called an independence number of a graph G. For example, consider the following graph G. Here the set S equal to U2, U3, U6, U7 is the maximal independent set, and so the independence number of G is 4. Do you think about a covering number? Yeah. First, we want to know about the covering set. A set of vertices which covers all the edges of a graph G is called vertex covering of G. Sometimes it calls a covering set of G. For example, consider the following graph G. If we take all the vertices, then it covers all the edges of G, and so the corresponding set is an covering set. If we take U2, U4, U6, then it does not cover the edge E, and so the given set is not a covering set. First, let me explain the minimum covering set. A covering set capital K is called a minimum covering if a graph G has no covering set K dash with cardinality of K dash is less than cardinality of K, and the number of vertices in a minimum covering set of G is called a covering number of G. For example, consider the following graph G. Here, the set capital K equal to U1, U4, U5 is the minimal covering set, and so the covering number of G is 3. In this video, we explain the independence and covering number of a graph G. Thank you.